So hello guys, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing just great. So in today's video we are going to see how to format our Windows 10 PC. This method is generally for them, for those of us whose PC is just working perfectly fine, means there is no booting issue, nothing, means our PC is just perfectly fine and we just need to format it. So let's get started. So how to do it? At first just go to start, and in just start just type reset. Okay, and in reset just select this first option, reset this PC. Okay, after selecting this, see, at first you will see reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well anything, just click on get started, and see here you will get two options, keep my files and remove everything. So at first let's try keep my files. So I'll just click on this. See, now you'll get two options, cloud download and local reinstall. And personally I would recommend you local reinstall, because cloud download first of all takes time. It downloads some of the things and it installs. So let's go for local reinstall. After clicking on local reinstall, see, now see, here it will restore apps and settings which came in this PC. Means as in case of phone, whenever we do our factory reset and other things, the same will happen with our PC. So we can change this also. So how to change this? If you click on change settings, see, you can select whether you want to restore those apps or not. You can select this. You can reinstall Windows from means after downloading and another thing. I'll not do this. I'll just keep this yes, and I'll just confirm. After confirming, I'll just click on next. See, here we can reset your PC while it's running on battery power. So this is very important. Just keep in mind that you need to be connected to a power source. So as you can see, now I am just connected to my power source, and see, now it displays reset, ready to reset this PC. So just keep in mind that whenever you are resetting your PC, you should always be connected to the power source. Okay, and then after that just click on this reset, and means your files will be kept intact and your PC will be reset or formatted. So this was the first option. Let's see the next one. So let's see the second option, that is remove everything. Removes all of our personal files, apps and settings. Just let's click on it. See, here also two options are available, cloud and local. I'll just go for local. See, there is something important here. You just need to see, one thing we can do is, we can, if we want, we can completely remove all of our contents from our laptop. How to do that? We just have to click on change settings. See, clean data, it will remove all of your files. Delete files from all drives, it will delete the files of all of, means it will delete all of the contents, all, everything, means from starting to your HDD to your SSD. If you have, it will just clean everything. And download Windows, this is for you to choose whether you want to download and install Windows. It just depends on you. I'll just click on confirm. See, after means making whatever necessary changes that is needed, I'll just click on next. See, after clicking on reset, means now this is ready for reset and it will reinstall Windows from this PC. Last of all, this is a lengthy process, means it will take about 5 to 6 hours. One with SSD will take much lesser. So that is, it depends on you, and you just click on reset and your PC will be completely resetted or formatted. So guys, there may be another, means another thing you may be searching for, that how to format our disk if our device is not booting up correctly. So for that I'll just make a separate video, means if our device is not booting correctly. So I'll see you next.